There is a replaceable inline fuse on the current model, but the original model does not have this fuse, and if the mini breaker on the interior of this refrigerator is damaged, you will have to replace the whole unit. There's a few spots that this inline fuse is located on this refrigerator, but it will always be in the bottom compartment, either located in the front or on the back. We're going to turn this unit around and check out this fuse on this model. To access the fuse, you'll take off the back panel. Behind this panel, you'll see the compressor board, and on the other side of this compressor board and these tubes is the inline 15 amp fuse that is housed behind this cover. Then reinstall the back cover panel and replace all of the screws.